to install programs with AUR. Search for your package. For me, I want to install pzip. And here you can see git clone URL. Click on it. Now it's copied in your terminal where you want to install. CD downloads. Press tab to autocomplete. So right now the terminal knows I'm in the downloads, and if you want to see it, it's here. Next, make sure you have git installed. Sudo and but I already have that installed. Git clone and paste. To paste in terminal, you have to press Ctrl Shift V. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. And now let's go into that folder. Press LS. You can list what's inside the download. And now let's enter that folder. CD, P, zip. You could just type the first few letters and press tab. Now we're inside that folder. LS to see what's in it. We have these invisible folders and a pack. It doesn't appear here because hidden folders are hidden. Here you can see it. Make pkg. C is yes in Spanish. So yes, we want to make packet. Type in your password. And that's it. Please, there's